Okay, this is a heavy, extra heavy hailstorm. I've never seen a hailstorm this heavy. I ran out as fast as I could and put a comforter on top of my hood, but luckily there wasn't heavy hail as far as the big size, but they're real little and they're coming in like crazy. This is not snow, this is hail. See? That's the hail coming down. See? Look at this. That's all hail. Oh, there's going to be a whole lot of claims for probably cars and roofs. Hopefully, there's enough coating on there that if the hail does get bigger, it won't cause any pitting. Usually it's the larger pieces of hail that are quarter size and so forth. Okay, we're supposed to get snow 2 to 5 inches, but we just had a heavy thunderstorm, and we just also had at least so far 10 minutes of heavy hail. Ew. So that's not good. We're supposed to have a big thunderstorm, and then we're supposed to have 2 to 5 inches. 10 miles above us is supposed to have 11 inches. St. Louis has been snowing for the last 3 hours, and they're due to have anywhere from 11 to 14 inches. So, and right now, there goes the thunder again. So, all right, well, I think I put my little too late. I think I reacted about maybe 2 minutes too late to get the thing on the hood. I think I need to get me a hail blanket for the car. Okay, well, I'm going back in. Hi, State Farm.